How to make triple dipped fried chicken. 3 cups all-purpose flour. 1½ tablespoons garlic salt. 1 tablespoon ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon paprika. A half teaspoon poultry seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 2 egg yolks, beaten 1½ cups beer or water. 1 quart vegetable oil for frying. 1 3-pound whole chicken, cut into pieces. Directions. In 1 medium bowl, mix together 3 cups of flour, garlic salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, paprika and poultry seasoning. In a separate bowl, stir together 1 1/3 cups flour, salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, egg yolks and beer. You may need to thin with additional beer if the batter is too thick. Heat the oil in a deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees centigrade. Moisten each piece of chicken with a little water, then dip in the dry mix. Shake off excess and dip in the wet mix, then dip in the dry mix once more. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the hot oil. Fry for 15 to 18 minutes, or until well browned. Smaller pieces will not take as long. Large pieces may take longer. Remove and drain on paper towels before serving. Thank you for watching.